Micro reset, emotional exhaustion recovery exercise. Micro reset number 1. Yin Tang, third eye point located between the eyebrows. Begin gently tapping with 2 fingers. Inhaling slow, exhaling long. Continue gently tapping the space between the eyebrows. Soften or close the eyes. Inhaling slow, exhaling long. Continue tapping. I release the fog. I release the fog. I release the fog. I release. I release. I release. I am released. I am released. Allowing the body to settle, allowing light to penetrate the eyes. I come back to my day, released. Thank you for taking time for yourself. Thank you for growing and stretching, settling and softening.